pretty, and don't you know that I'm still out on the road late at night, seeing my pretty house in every headlight. Oh, Alice, Dallas Alice. And I've been from Tucson to Tucumcari, to Hatchapee to Tonopah. I've driven every kind of rig that's ever been made, chilling on the back road so I wouldn't get away. And if you give me wheeze, white, and white, let me show me a sign that I'll be willing to be moving. From Tucson to Tucumcari, to Hatchapee to Tonopah, driven every kind of rig that's ever been made, driven the back roads so I wouldn't get away. And if you give me wheeze, white and white, and give me a sign, now my head's still dead, but I'm still on my feet, and I'm still Well, I smuggled some smoke, some folks up from Mexico, burned by the sun every time I go to Mexico. And I've been from Tucson to Tucumcari, to Hatchapee to Tonopah, drilling every kind of rig that's ever been made, drilling on the back road so I wouldn't get away. And if you give me wheeze, white and white, and you show me a sign that I'll be willing to be moving. Well, I've been from Tucson to Tucumcari, to Hatchapee to Tonopah, drilling every kind of rig that's ever been made, drilling on the back road so I wouldn't get away. And if you give me wheeze, white and white, when you show me a sign, I'll be willing to be moved. There goes an old Lord George song, little feet song for you there. We just thought we'd chuck something, a bit of melody in there for you. After all